In this video, I am going to show you how to use Gemini AI in Google Workspace. So your Google Workspace typically consists of the Google applications like Google Drive, Gmail, as well as Google Forms and the likes. So it also encompasses your Google Docs and Google Sheets. So for example, let's head over and ask Gemini. You can say something like this. Let me help with something. So I haven't heard this prompt. You can just put on my Google Sheets on this account. So this highlighted version, you can change that into Google Drive as well as other Google Workspace option. Then on this account, specify that. And then after that, input right here your question or query to Gemini. Once you've done this, click onto this submit and then wait for this to scour your workspace as you can see right there, and then this will connect to your workspace and it will give you the answer that you're looking for. So as you can see, it's actually giving this and we're having this query unsuccessful. So you can also try again if you're having a hard time. So it's also applicable in other applications like Google Drive and also other products like Google Docs and the likes. So I hope this video helped you out and see you on the next one.